Few warriors live to retire. Buy my weapons, and you might. And when you carry my weapon, I fight alongside you.
Take your time. I'm pretty laid back. Oh, delivery's free. I like the exercise.
So much chaos on the streets. I wonder how much is our fault. Yes! Flying high!
Welcome to Gigamart. Can I help you find everything? If I can just sell 1,000 more, our owner might notice me. Ooh, that one's on sale. Buy 200, get one free.
This is like a sport, right? You're not really mad at me.
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. Land legs make you predictable. You move in straight lines.
Why run? We are everywhere. The rookery remembers. Ah!
Upgrade everything, even me.
I got everything you need. Just a matter of finding it. Trash is tragedy. Reuse everything. That's been sitting there 20 years, waiting for you. Warms my rusty circuits to see that find a home.
Want to get lunch after this? Is that weird?
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobody. fall like a boulder. I flow like the waves. Welcome in, hon. What can I get you? I used to offer a free ride home, but people thought it was weird. Oh, I think you're really gonna enjoy that.
I pay well for mid-size. Reasonable. I've got 4 legs because I carry the company. Not what I'd call tasteful, but very happy to exploit you. I mean, help you.
Flunked again.
You see landfill, I see buried treasure. Well, you're doing your part to clean up the bazaar.
The better I get, the more I can help.
Smart shoppers buy vintage. New is for suckers. Our items have lived. They have stories.
What specs are you running? Oh, good luck.
Gold is loud and gaudy. Silver is demure. No doubt meeting me was treasure enough.
Dervishes, strike like a sandstorm! The dunes favor you, Inlander.
At Gigamart, we have everything. If you buy one more, I might get promoted. No pressure, though.
Get good so you can do good.
Thanks for trusting me. I hope we can do this again.
Not too big, not too small. Perfect. I hope that rat Wixel was watching.
What specs are you running? Oh, good luck.
Go ahead, underestimate me. It makes this more fun. You've got talent. You should put it toward nobler use.
Sale, no sale. If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy.
This community service stuff doesn't exactly pay.
Oh, delivery's free. I like the exercise.
I was expecting you 0.5 seconds ago. lot less slow-mo in the world.
You have picnic. Kyver, eat. Sting ground, sting sky, sting world!
Now, if I can just learn how to talk to people.
Send me your huge items. Price? Don't care.
Well, Dad would.
Fine, here's some gold. Midsworth says I have to trade even when I don't care.
Got a few new designs I want to try. Let me know what you think.
Have you seen Sylvia by any chance? Confidence goes a long way. Turns silver into more than silver.
Become my envoy. This is but the spark of my true power.
If my family saw this, they'd be furious.
We made progress today. I'm proud of you.
You came all the way here. Might as well stock up. Thank you. What else can I get for you?
Come on in. Take a test flight before you go? Just for kicks?
After I break all your stuff, I'd be happy to repair it.
Why must we do this? Death laughs at us both. All change begins in the heat of the crucible.
There's this event. Very exclusive.
Friend, I'm just here to help you become your best self. I've heard about people doing Foundation Ethergy injections to bulk up, but I'm sure that's just a rumor.
Watch out, Tantius Industries. Stelle's workshop's on the rise.
You speak very fast. I will need some time to translate. Science, magic, all is thought churning slowly.
I'd rather build stuff than break it, but inventions need testing.
Everyone here is huge! It's terrifying! Go buy something huge, and then sell it.
Ah, a friend. I mean, a customer. Maybe I should lower my prices.
People need the tools to defend themselves. Hey, Uncle Odie. Maybe I'll be training you soon.
All things in moderation. Happy to exploit you. I mean, help you.
Let's stress test our gear, yeah?
My people believe in peace. Boring! I believed in myself and I still lost.
Is this a social situation? I'm not great at those.
Welcome to Gigamart. Can I help you find everything? Who comes to Gigamart and doesn't buy anything?
Will you leave me alone now? I've got a lot of work to do. Yeah, I've been working out.
Trust me, kiddo. You want to buy this before your enemy does. If it melts through your pack, I'm not liable.
Reward the peaceful? You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this. Use that for the good of all.
When we're done here, stop by my shop for a tune-up.
My dreams are too big for you to steal. I can see you're going places, but I'll be chasing you.
Shh, take this. No time to explain. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. My hero and whatnot.
I hope I didn't hurt it too bad. Every test improves the design.
Your world is frantic. The long time is peace. You are a very slow learner. Wonderful.
Oh, that's the only kind of broke I can't fix.
You've taken another step on the way of flame.
I'll fly rings around you.
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist. Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
Not what I'd call tasteful, but very well. Large items, small items, grotesque, excess.
Why does Lufu set himself apart? We Sphyxians must work together. Every coin goes back to our community. We Sphyxians thank you.
Ugh, window shoppers.
You working for Moo?
Let's find out.
I'll rip this suit off and go saber-tooth on you!
Too many shoddy shields around here. I'm here to correct that. Every shield has its limit. Do not go into battle without a plan.
Hope you brought your parachute.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms. Defeat does not defeat me.
a 24% increase in fuel efficiency.
I doubted a non-Sphinxian could learn that. Impressive.
You're interrupting my experiment. Your theories are intriguing.
Hi, I'm Stelle Ingenious. Wanna fight?
I may look refined, but I was raised on the streets. Let's just talk it out. Over dinner, of course.
I love this company. I love the company's owner.
Every day on these streets teaches me so much.
How do you hugelings use these things? Try Barcoon. He needs to get his numbers up for something.
You think yourself worthy of the Founder's legacy? Show me. Our descendants have grown strong. This is good for the Bazaar.
This bazaar is a manic hive. I seek to calm it. Time is a web. I will teach you to walk its threads.
a little friendly sparring, right?
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist. Like my crew says at the bar, another round!
They said I was naive, but it's working!